Infoman here. I'm going to show you how weird videos like this make people over $40,000. Did you know that it is completely possible to make a full-time living on YouTube without making videos? This guy does it, this guy does it, oh, and also this guy does it. Stick around to the end of this video and I'm going to give you a complete blueprint on how to make money on YouTube without making videos, as well as 10 channel ideas from actual people that are making thousands of dollars on YouTube without making their own videos. So you can use their exact ideas for inspiration for your own money-making YouTube channel. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to Infoman and ring that bell to be informed by Infoman's informational videos that could literally inform your brain for the best. Let's get to it. Let's check out some channel ideas for inspiration and how much people are actually making from those channels. So the first channel I want to introduce you guys to is Nuke's Top 5. Now the purpose of me showing you guys all of these channels is to inspire you so that you can take these channel ideas and create your own channels and start making money on YouTube without making videos. So Nuke's Top 5, I actually found this channel just by searching one day on YouTube for interesting videos, and he does a lot of paranormal, scary kind of videos, lots of like ghost sightings and different things like that. And he compiles these videos, and basically he does a short introduction, kind of a voiceover at the beginning of the video, and then he carries on with all these different clips, and it's usually 5 different kinds of videos posted into one video. And he also tries to make sure to post videos that are longer than 10 minutes so that he gets the maximum amount of money for his CPM. The site that I use to check out how much people are making on YouTube is Social Blade. And if we go here to Nuke's Top 5 channel and we scroll down, we'll see that Nuke is actually making around $440,000 because the YouTube CPM range is usually about half of this maximum number here. Channel number 2 that we're going to take a look at is this channel called Workout. Workout actually uses, like its name, a bunch of different workout videos, and it puts it all into one compilation video without doing any kind of voiceover. It just has music in the background usually and a bunch of these superhuman weightlifting tactics, just people doing extreme workouts that normal people usually wouldn't do, and they get a lot of views from this. So if we take a look at how much money they are making on Social Blade, they're actually making around $330,000 per year just with YouTube ad revenue. The next one is called Truth Revolution Net. Now these guys obviously pay attention to clickbaity thumbnails. A lot of these thumbnails are not actually part of their videos. They just use these kind of thumbnails to hook the viewer in, and it's just a compilation of a bunch of weird things caught on camera, like fails, unforgettable moments, like a boss compilation. They just put them together without a voiceover and just with music. They are actually making a lot more than the last 2 channels that we took a look at, and they are actually making around $500,000 a year with YouTube ad revenue. The next channel we're going to look at is Body Hub. Body Hub does these really simple PowerPoint presentations of these different health tips, weight loss tips, and they actually get quite a lot of views from these. They have these great thumbnails that are very eye-catching, very animated, and it hooks the viewer in and they start watching the video, and then it increases the watch time, which allows them to get viral videos from this. They, on Social Blade, are said to make around roughly $35,000 per year with YouTube ad revenue. Next one is Facts for You. Now this is a very interesting channel. Facts for You actually doesn't have any videos within their compilation. Every single one of their videos is just a compilation of pictures put together in a specific way to catch the viewer's attention and make them want to watch more and more and more. And they also hook them with these really good titles and thumbnails, but every single one of their videos is pictures. And they get these off of popular websites that do these compilation of pictures, and they just Google them, put them together, and they create videos. And for their estimated yearly projections, they're around $80,000 per year. The next channel is Pain and Gain. This is another workout, kind of healthy related channel, and they post these different clips of popular people working out, and for their estimated yearly income, it's around $27,000. Next channel I want to show you is Edwin. Now this channel is interesting because they do a lot of machinery kind of videos that are based on different manufacturing companies, different crazy machines, obviously like these inventions that would hook the viewer in and keep them watching. They try to do their videos over 10 minutes, but some of them are a little bit shorter. But they're based on technology and construction. And all they do is put these clips together with some music in the background, and there's no voiceover or anything like that. And for their channel, they are making roughly $200,000 per year on YouTube ad revenue. Next one is Daily Dose of Internet. I was actually sad to see this guy's channel lose so many of his videos because he used to have way more videos on his channel, but they were taken down for copyright issues on YouTube, so now he only has a few. However, you can see the vast majority of views that he gets from these simple 3-minute videos, and all he does is take random clips that he finds online, puts them together, and adds a simple little voiceover to each one of these, and he gets tons and tons and tons of views. Now his income is going to be a little bit false because YouTube actually took away a bunch of his videos, so he's in the negative here, but he actually would be making around this much per day from each one of his videos. The next one is Be a Boss. Now Be a Boss puts together a bunch of random compilation clips, just like the majority of these other channels that I've shown you. Their biggest video has 20 million views, and this was only 4 months ago at the time that I'm filming this video. And it's basically these fastest workers, superhuman speed, a bunch of just eye-catching thumbnails, and most of their clips are just people doing their daily jobs, just working, but they're usually really good at it. So for their income, they are making about about $500 a day. Their yearly projections are a little off. It looks like they had to delete some videos for copyright issues as well. The last one I'm going to show you is Natural Cures. Natural Cures is a lot like that previous channel I showed you with Body Hub. This channel basically takes these scientific, health-based clips, videos. They do use a voiceover in all of these videos. They keep them short, but they keep them very entertaining, and they make a whole lot of videos. It looks like they're making sometimes 2 a day, sometimes 1 a day, and they just mass produce these videos to create a lot of views. If we scroll down on Social Blade, we'll see that they are actually making roughly half of $280,000, so $140,000 a year. How to get your channel monetized. Getting your channel monetized is an absolute must for making money on YouTube without making videos. The first step is getting to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. There are many methods for doing this, but the process will generally take the most time. One method is using a viral video trend. Find a viral video that uses clips with a voiceover. Take that video and do your own spin on it. Writing your own script using different clips if possible, copying their tags, which can be found by installing the vidIQ extension to find tags on YouTube, and using their title as a base to create your own title. Make sure to make the video at least 10 minutes long to get the most watch time from that video. It will take time for this video to grow and to get views, but in the meantime, you could create a couple more of the same types of videos and collect watch time and subscribers. There are a couple of methods that produce faster results, and for that, I'm going to refer you to the course that I personally took that allowed me to start my journey on making money on YouTube without making videos. It's a course by a guy named Jordan, and in his course, he reveals in detail how to get a monetized channel quickly, as well as other many useful tactics I wouldn't know otherwise unless I purchased his course. I'll put a link down in the description below for that course if you guys want to check it out. What goes into a viral video? Important factors that go into viral videos are watch time and click-through rates. To achieve these, you need a few things. For watch time, you need content that engages people for a lengthy amount of time. To do this, it needs to be short clips of 30 seconds or less stacked together. That's why compilation channels are so effective for making money. They hook the viewer in and they constantly change the footage to keep the viewer watching. I'm sure most of us have actually fallen for this and spent countless hours on YouTube watching funny videos or something like that. For click-through rate, you need a simple eye-catching thumbnail and a clever title that hooks the person scrolling on YouTube. Let's go back to some of those previous channels that I showed you before and analyze their thumbnails and titles to see why their videos were so successful. So taking a look at Be a Boss channel, we're going to see why their thumbnails and their titles are so useful for getting a ton of views onto all their videos. As you can see here, this is a picture of a pig looking at a knife, and it's very eye-catching. It makes the audience just want to click on it and figure out why the pig is looking at that knife. And also they see fast workers 2018, and fast workers right now is kind of a trending term at the time of this video, so that's another reason why they're getting so many different views. They also add these emoji icons here, and that kind of draws people's attention, and they see, okay, it kind of strikes an emotion within them and they want to watch more, basically. We're also going to look at Nuke's top 5. Now I really like how Nuke does his titles and his thumbnails. Nuke uses the red circle and the red arrow method for getting views. It draws your attention to the central part of the circle and you see whatever he's trying to point at. Like right here, there's not even anything there, but you want to click the video because you want to find out why is he circling this spot? Why is he wanting you to see whatever's there? Because obviously you can't see anything right there, but there could be something there. And as for his titles, he always does these, he puts a number in the front usually, or he'll say real ghost caught on camera. So people are thinking, okay, these are legit, these are real, I have to see what's going on. How to scale this method. Scaling this method for making money online is quite simple. Make more videos or make more channels. If you have the time to produce 10 videos a day for your compilation channels, you have the potential of making way more money than someone who's posting just once a week. With compilation channels, quantity is greater than quality. Or you could create multiple channels, get them monetized, and then strategically model those channels after successful channels in popular niches. I could only touch the surface when it comes to making money on YouTube without making videos in this video here. So if you're interested in more, make sure to check out the link in the description. This course has changed my life, and I constantly find myself using the super helpful private Facebook group for advice as I continue my journey on making money on YouTube without making videos. I will make a video further explaining what I've done when I start getting better results. I hope that this video has helped you out. Thank you for taking the time to watch it. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Infoman over and out. Hey, it's me, Infoman. Go ahead and subscribe. There's nothing better than listening to a superhero in red tights give you information on YouTube, business, making money, and etc. Or better yet, subscribe and check out some more of my videos. Or if you really want to, you can continue watching me take out bad guys until the end of my theme song. The choice is yours.